Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be sharing how I created this 3D project featuring some products from Scrap Diva Design. And I started off by creating a bunch of sentiments, and I used this new really good stamp set which stamps all of these at one go. And you can see I placed my stamp inside of my Misty, and I also have some black paper and a clear ink here, and also my pressing tool for making sure I have a good impression on top of this paper. When I'm happy with the results, I'm actually going to sprinkle this with some white embossing powder over a coffee filter, and I will do that a couple of times just so I'm making sure that I don't miss any spot. And I'm also tilting my paper in different ways just to make sure that the embossing powder really is sticking to the ink. And then off camera I'm heat setting that with my heat tool from the paper underneath the paper, so I'm not messing up the embossing powder. That is a trick I learned from Jennifer McGuire, and it has been working fantastically. So here is all of my sentiments ready to go in one go, which I love. And now I can just create a bunch of projects and just use whatever sentiment I would like. So I will just keep this in a bowl next to me when I'm creating. And here you can see I'm taking the new Boombox die set and just running all of the pieces through my machine. I use some white paper for the card base itself, and then I decorated the bunch of the different elements with a bunch of different specialty papers and solid cardstock. And I also actually used some pattern paper, which I love. These are from the new collection from Scrap Diva. And yeah, it's really a cute one. You can see those flowers. I'm obsessed with those. I think that is one of the best pattern paper I've seen in a while. And I love that it has this hint of pink to the back of this. For making this into a box, I used the box making strips, which is an oldie but a goodie from Scrap Diva. And the idea behind this is that you can take any die you have in your stash or create with any shape you have and just turn that into a 3D project. And I thought this boombox would look so good as a gift holder. So I decided to go ahead and create this into a 3D project. I only decorated one of the sides. In hindsight, I might regret that a little bit. I probably should have decorated both sides. I might go back and do that actually before I'm giving this away. But I had a ton of fun creating this one, and it went super fast. The only thing that was a little bit fussy was making sure those lines were straight when I let go there. You can see I'm using liquid glue, so it sometimes works against me. Here is another control panel for that, and you can see I'm using some specialty cardstock for that. We have our speakers. I use some blue cardstock and then some specialty paper on top of that as well. And I'm just laying this here so I know exactly where everything is supposed to go, so everything will fit nicely. We have our little control panel, and we will attach this one as well. So cute. I really love this one. I think it's a good one. It's a really versatile one. You can turn this into an album or something else if you like as well. So for the sentiment, I will actually take one of those that we created in the beginning, the perfect mix, and I will press that down in the middle there with some more foam. And off camera I created this guitar. It's a shaker from the shaker guitar set, and I just have some shaker elements inside. And then off camera I also created this butterfly. I thought that would be looking cute as well on top of this. And of course I couldn't help myself, I wanted some more foam for that. So that pretty much finished off our box for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing how this came together. It's a super simple one, and you can probably take this idea and create any other project that you like. I will have links down below for you if you like to check out any of the things that I used in this video. And until next time, have a great day. Bye!